This is the 2009 Aprilia RS125. And guess what? You can have one here in the United States now, but you can't ride it on the street. So we brought it out here to the streets of Willow Springs to see how it performs where it's intended to on the racetrack.
Powering this pint-sized replica racer is a liquid-cooled 125cc two-stroke, manufactured by renowned Austrian engine builder Rotex. The engine is wedged inside a slim GP-style twin-spar aluminum frame and is suspended via a 40mm inverted fork and a hydraulic rear shock. Braking duties are handled by a single 320mm disc with a radial mount 4-piston caliper up front, while a single 220mm disc and twin piston caliper extend off the back of the boomerang-shaped swing arm. With a claimed dry weight of just 280 pounds, there's no question that the RS125 is a small bike. However, to our surprise, hopping aboard it isn't as cramped as we anticipated, and is nowhere near as tight as a full-on 125 GP racer. Just like your 125cc dirt bike, launching the RS from a stop requires some clutch finesse. But as the RPMs climb, the engine gradually spools up, and by the time you hit 10,000 RPM, it's fully online and singing its two-stroke tune. Steering is ridiculously easy, and ground clearance is plentiful. Correct body position is critical to putting in a good lap, but once you figure it out, this rigid little chassis rewards you with all the right feedback. While the $5,499 RS125 isn't for everybody, pound for pound, it's a blast to ride on the track. You've always dreamt about owning a 125 GP replica, now here's your chance.